Start recording. The session is starting. I removed some of the trades I had before. Tiny profits. Where is it? There is silver. Let's see. Closing time. US 30, and this one I just took them off real quick. Now, the free trades I have running at the moment is US 30 long. I think we might get out with the stop loss here. I entered at the 61.8 rejection, but price went down. We're now hoping to see that price action finds a support at these two levels, 30 and 38. Because the daily view adds up to the same idea. We have price action rejecting for 2 days in a row, at least so far for today, rejecting 38.2 and the 20 EMA. Very important. I am only targeting the 61 level, but I will be turning on the algorithm that's going to manage my trade. In case it moves up, it's going to start compounding, and what I will do is remove the take profit and let my SL be a profit target, and I'll explain that shortly. The second one here is almost reached SL here. I entered at the rejection of 61 and a potential breakout of this trend line. That never happened. We have a rejection candle now, right there. This candle here, rejection candle, indecision candle, indicating that there could be a good chance that we might move south from this top to that bottom, and then we might be pushing downwards. Now, keep in mind, check this out. The reason I'm taking that level is because this one already worked out. You see, there's 38 and 38.2, and price action went to TP1 and then stagnated from there and moved up. So I'm expecting that. Normally I would re-enter a trade here. I'm not going to do that now. I will wait 8 minutes and decide what I'm going to do. I'll enter a couple of seconds before the actual NFP. Finally, the other trade is UJ. That's creating a beautiful rejection at 61.8. I think we're in for a treat on this one. The daily chart is really good, has the perfect pattern that I like to see, and that's a triple rejection of a trend line, 1, 2, 3. Also the 38 and 30% levels from this top to this bottom. That's looking good. I'm only unsure about this one so far, but I'll continue to monitor it. I'm not going to touch gold. I'm not going to touch silver. They're showing very good bearish signs, to be honest with you, on the daily charts. Really good bearish signs. And if I take the move from here to there, I see just 50% being rejected so far. So I'm not going to do not going to be taking any action. I wanted to be short. I was short on this. I took some small profits, as you can see here. There's the sell, and there's a small buy that I took. Went out of that too, based on the 10-minute chart, which was this. Check this out. Boom, boom. 30% rejection. I went long. I realized that, yeah, I don't see price action moving further up. The view on the daily chart is short. I don't want to be trading against my view on the daily. So I said, I'm getting out, because I was expecting the NFP to be an hour ago. That was the only problem. So that's why I got out. I'll keep on the 1-hour chart for now. I want to check this on the 10-minute. Not the best, but at 38.2 support so far. Could be problematic because the USD is showing weakness. We'll see. Everything else looking good. Gold, thinking it's a pretty decent short, because look at this. We have a little contraction forming right there, and we have a potential breakout of it, you see. So if I take this and this, you see the contraction right there of price, but I just don't have the 30% anywhere, and that's not going to let me enter. There is no entry for me. There is on the daily, but there isn't on the 1 hour. But here you see it's a 4-hour setup. You understand? The reason it's a 4-hour setup, just give me a sec. The reason it's a 4-hour setup is the following. I'm taking the bottom from here and the top to there, and you can see 30%. So pay attention well towards my key levels, my watch list. 1-hour setups, USD JPY, USD CHF. Remember that I'm only entering based on the fibs. I'm not doing any other entries, only based on the fibs. 4-hour here, and then the daily setup is this, which is still holding, and I might look into it next week as well. These here, they're short on the 4 hours, so I might enter gold because of the 4-hour chart, just to diversify myself away from the what's it called, from the USD a little bit, just in case price action moves in a different way. So I'm going to enter a small trade here. I'm going to go half a lot. And I'm going to take my SL right above here. Actually, I'm going to put it just above this spike here. I'll tell you here. Okay, and that's above this level. And I'm going to go down to 161. That gives me a decent risk-reward ratio, risking 356 to get 1,500 almost. It's a decent risk-reward. And basically what I'm doing here is trading the dollar, as you can see, weakness of gold. While here I'm trading weakness of the dollar. So we'll see if that works out. 4-hour chart, big rejection on USD CHF. And here, just to make it all worthwhile for myself, I might turn on the algorithm, but I need to fix it. So if I'm going to do this, I'll go half of the initial position on the second trade. I'll increase the exposure here a little bit more to 0.4. And then I'll do 0.65. And then here I'll finally do 0. Actually, I'll keep it at 1 in case of a fifth trade opening. Now, triggered when gaining, I'm going to put 180 pips, which is 18 pips. I'm going to try and keep this one tight. And I'm going to move my stop loss to 65 pips. So the NFP is coming out in 4 minutes. I'll turn this one on, and then I'm going to move here and go to the US 30, and I'll go down to the 10-minute chart. I'll grab this. I'll keep it yellow so it keeps its so it can be different. And I'm going to turn that on here too. My lot sizes are 5, 7, 9, 11. Boom, and that's going to be set as well. And I'm going to remove my take profit. So no take profits. The SL will be the take profit. All in all, everything's looking okay. I need to go on my other computer now for a second. Just give me a moment where the other account is. Okay, cool. And then I just need to make sure everything's correct. Just a moment, guys. Okay, now I can manage both of the accounts much easier. And we wait. All in all, like I said, I'm only entering trades based on the fibs. The system I use remains exactly the same as to what I'm using before. So I'm getting my momentum, I'm getting my key levels. I'm also very, very, very important. What I'm doing is I am still using the momentum of the EMAs. I'm still using the candlestick rejections. I'm using absolutely everything, right? So here we're only focused on the yellow levels. Okay, if I see rejection, I'll close this myself earlier. If I see that we're not moving in the right direction, I'll probably get out myself earlier. We've got pretty much 2 minutes to go and 10 seconds. I took gold live with you guys. I explained why, because of the watch list on the 4. Now, what am I going to do once all of this is done? The first thing I'm going to do is sorry, I almost broke my chair. The first thing I'm going to do is clean up my charts, and I'll probably be done for the day. I want you guys to follow that process. If you're using CTrader, all you need to do is click on this here. You see drawings, remove all drawings. You click this, click yes, and it's all gone. I want you to have a fresh, clean approach every time you're checking the charts. Every single time. So USD JPY and USD CHF going a little bit away from price action now, facing a bit of rejection on our side, but gold is going down. So I wanted to hedge myself just to cover any kind of losses here. And what I'm going to do is I'm potentially going to increase the sell side to 2 lots as a quick trade, if anything. If these two start going against me, USD CHF and USD JPY, while gold starts going down, what I'm going to do is cover any kind of loss by taking a bigger trade on gold if it's performing. So that's my trading strategy for now. If I see no reasons to do that, I'm not going to take any kind of trades. I'll take my losses as a big boy, and I'll be done. We've got 52 seconds to the NFP. The market is moving against us now a little bit. You can see my loss down here increasing from 1K all the way to 1.3. That's because of USD CHF. And that's because of US 30, and that's because of USD JPY. So yes, 35 seconds. Okay, 29 seconds. 12 seconds. The spreads are increasing because volume is increasing. 4 seconds, 3 and 2 and 1. Gold went up. I got stopped out. I'm done with gold. I'm not done with gold. I'll continue monitoring it. These two are not working out. Oh, got a stop loss. USD CHF. And USD JPY. Going short on gold. No, I'm not going short on gold. I'm trying to get in. Okay, I'm in. I took a bigger position here just so you guys know. Oh, fuck, it took 2 of them. Fucking lag. I need to get out of 1. Okay, short on gold to recover anything. US 30 going up. That's good. So that's exactly what I want to focus on right now. Give me a sec. Not really going up, but gold is moving well, and that's making me really happy. But not going amazingly well. I need to wait. I need to wait and decide what I'm going to do. But it's going good, so let's see. Taking a short on gold on the other account too. US 30 not going so well. I might close it. I'll get out. US 30, I'll keep gold, and that's going to help me pretty much with everything. If it continues going as is, I'll lower my stop loss. Sorry, take profit. I'll move my stop loss into profit. I'll switch this off. I don't need this anymore. Change this to A. Change this to A. Move over here. The US 30 is coming back up a little bit now. Let's go down to gold. Gold daily, as you can see, we have a pretty good rejection here, and we're targeting the 100% on this, while we're targeting the 161 here. So that's a 5K gain, but let's see. It's way, 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 way far away. So let's see how that goes. In regards to US 30, I can see it going a little bit up. The rejection is going good. I shouldn't have closed it. So I'm going to get back in with a small 8-lot position because the rejection is solid. I'll go down here, and I'm going to go up here. Shouldn't have closed that early. The other account is holding it though, so that's good. See, all going well. USD JPY, rejection, look at that. You see the rejection? So we're going to go our maximal exposure on this account. I need to open my, one second, I'm opening my Excel file. Let's see how this goes. That's 3.77 lots. We're going to go 3.4. 3.4, we're going to set that there and see what else happens. USD CHF. USD CHF with another rejection. I'll wait on this one. Gold moving well. I'll keep my SL right there. This is going okay. So we'll keep that there. And I'm going to come back to UJ and just check this out. Still okay with the rejection, but I'm going to wait for 26 minutes before I take any action on USD JPY. I'm holding these two bad boys. Gold is moving well. Really happy about that move on gold. Really happy I re-entered on the other account too. I'm going to lock it in on the other account. Boom. That's it. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Gold's coming a little bit up now. I don't like to see that. Lots of indecision, but a move will be created. And if I go to popular markets, I want to check Euro USD. Euro USD rejecting the move. I might get out of gold and just take my profit. I'm not sure. It's locked in, so it's okay. It's this one I wanna ride this one right here because it's showing me a good potential of downside. US 30 coming a little bit back down, but that's okay. So I want to check the rest of the indices very quickly. US Nasdaq is going down, US 500 going mixed, WTI not moving much. This is okay. I'll keep this and I might compound it based on the close of the next candle. 1 hour chart, 30% rejection. I'm going to go in with another 5 lots here, but not yet. Not yet. Let's wait. But I will set an order. want to get a bit bigger positions in here because I really, really, really want to reap the rewards of the moves. So let's go here. It's the other smaller account that I'm opening trades on, just so you guys know. Gold is moving okay, which means I'm going to start moving my SL a bit lower so I can secure 500 instead of 100 something. This one's not the best right now. So that's exactly why I want to wait, to be honest with you, just to clarify what's going on. We have a big rejection of 30% on gold. The market's moving really well. The main thing we want to see is price action break this level right here. You see that? That's what we need to break. If I don't see price action breaking this level, guys, if I do not see price action breaking this level, I'm going to get out. US 30 coming back up a little bit. Lots of mixture there, but not 100% on it. Gold is good, but you see the support here. I really don't like the support. So the non-farm payrolls came out a little bit less than expected. We are at the support. I'm going to take my profit on gold. Let's wait 2 minutes and see if it can pass. If it can't, no, I'm getting out. I'm out of gold. The profit is okay. Recovered some of the loss made. Moving over to UJ just to check what's going on. 1 hour chart, nothing special. 1 hour chart, nothing special. I'm going to close these two. Well, no, 1 sec. Coming back to gold. I'll monitor it, but I'm happy I took the, oh shit, 1 sec, the other account. I didn't take the profit of the other account. Done. Let's focus on US 30 here. Moving well. I'm looking at the 10-minute chart on the other account too. I want to wait 3 minutes before I take any more trades, but I'm happy I'm out of gold, to be honest with you. The support here might be good, but the daily chart shows strong selling. Okay, but on the other side, I want you to focus on this too. See this? These spikes here. See, spike, 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 spike. Get it? Okay, the only thing I want to focus on is US 30 right now. I have one trade, 2.6K and 1.2K, a risk of 1. Good risk reward here. I'll wait for this one. You know what I'm waiting for? I'll show you guys. What I'm waiting for is this. This. I want this to break 30%. Capiche? That's what I want to break. If this breaks, I want to go long. That's exactly why my order is set there. Gold is coming back up. Silver coming a little bit back up. USD JPY with a decent rejection. USD CHF, not the best. So let's focus on this one here. Keep it on the 10-minute view because I want to be done with trading after these trades are over. I'm going to start removing from the 4 hour these two. Keep them on the 1 hour. If the rejection is there, I might get into it. If it's not, I will not get into it. So 38.2 is being rejected on US 30. I want to check what's going on. Gold coming back down. Go back to the 1 hour chart. BTC USD, nothing there. Euro USD. Oh, the dollar is gaining strength again, which means gold could break this level. But on the other view, silver could find support. While gold probably won't, but we'll see. What I'm waiting for is the 10-minute candle to close. It's 37 seconds away. You can always see the time of the candle right there. 30 seconds left. Nothing special going on. Rejection of 38 too. And rejection of the 5 EMA. But I think this could be a buy the dip scenario. So we're going to wait and see. I want to check the rest of the US indices coming up. This one's red for the day, but coming up. New candle, 10 minutes is out. Rejection of 38 and 38.2. Just as a precaution, I want to lock this in with a tiny profit, and then I'll get into a better trade if need be. Like I said, what I'm waiting for is 30 and 38.2 to break. Gold still messing around at the support, but has good momentum. Rejection of the 5 and 20 EMA here. I want to go back to silver. Silver's coming right back down under the 30%. But I don't want to get into it anymore. I don't want to give back too much of the profits that I made. Strong momentum here, real strong. So just a tiny trade could work based on the rejection of the 5 and 20 EMA. But I'll focus on this. No need to go too crazy. Silver is dropping, gold is joining it, breaking the support, but coming up. So I don't want to touch that. I want to focus on this. Now, keep in mind, I need to wait another 10 minutes because we could have a rejection again here, as we did on the other trades. USD JPY, 1 hour, still there. This one's coming back up, which is good. And that's pretty much it, I guess. So I'm going to let you guys go, and I'll let you know what I do over the next 10 minutes on this one. Facing some rejections. But we have this locked in, and I'll let you know what we do. You see gold rejecting that support, which is good. Could indicate that US 30 could go up. Okay, see you guys later. I'm going to keep you posted in the community.